So nasida kuzama ku-identify tambo injectors. We're working on injectors. Which one is the control wire? Which one is the power feed from an injector? So mostly the power feed in a common wire, usually red and yellow like this one, red and green, red and green. There will be red and green, red and green. That will be the feed wire for my injector. And then the control wire, normal tambo ku PCM. From PCM yangu iri apapa zichiya direct kuno to my injectors, injector number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and then zichicontrola my injector according to firing order. So pane dzimwe incidents yekuti unokwanisa kusaziva kuti ndeipi, and then easy way how to identify these wires. So I'm gonna demonstrate kune injector iri rekutanga iri. So hapana back prober, this just my prober ekukwanisa ku-identify. You can use a multimeter, but for me and a multimeter for now I'm going to use a scope. So scope is same as a multimeter. So now on dripper it's on 0 volts and under connector, then multimeter one go control ground. This is a ground, then this is my other lead of a multimeter. So ndaona patambo iyi yekutanga ignition ingeri on uko, ndakuya pana pekutanga ndakuisa power program apa, then voltage inofana kubuda ipapa apa, inofana kuita inofana kuita okay, it's on stop. Then voltage yangu yekutanga lead yangu yekutanga inofana kuita 12 volts. The jamba power connection, there you go. They are about 12 volts. Then do tanga in the connector apa, then the kwenda kwenye tamba H2E on per 40 should be again should be again 12 volts on my meter, because this is a ground switch my injector. So computer, it will be just providing ground for in order for injector to be activated, and then that's how we know. And then if you want to know which one is a computer controlled wire, since we happen about test SR2 wire, then you get 12 volts here, 12 volts here. So what you do is here you unplug your injector. So not under filter, unplug it. Why unplug an injector? Why is a change voltage here? This is 112 pangaraka plug. Why is a change voltage here? It shows that wire and a computer controlled wire engage controlling computer. So the pan E rectangle and the set up 12 volts. Okay, and rectangle. Then I'm going to pan E ready. You can unplug E red. I see no voltage, yeah, it is 0. Though terminal computer control. Since this one is a ground side switch solenoid, what you can also do is you can check if injector is being energized by the computer using test light. Can I say a ground side switch? That means motor computer box and do each upper ground. So what you do, you connect your test light up positive. You just want to check computer box kuti iri pai remote ku injector. You can do that kune ma injector ese angachitera just to so zanda kuita apa ndakubvisa lead rangu iri, ndabvisa lead ndakuconnect apa, ndaconnecta back my injector. Kana usina oscilloscope, but I'm gonna show in depth what an oscilloscope can do. Then the connector up. So what I will do is now the connector we agree that this is the computer controlled wire. So ndaconnecta display yangu ku battery. This is negative, this is positive, battery positive. Then I'll check. It must have some pulses upon above. Rather, the injector is being controlled by the computer box. So yeah, I'll bring down some water. That is an national oscilloscope to identify which comes over to the computer box. So now I'm gonna switch off my